which baby formula milk powder is actually good for your newborn? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit deeper to find out what truly supports healthy growth. Today, we're exploring the top 5 formulas that can make a real difference. Product number 1, Enfamil NeuroPro Gentlease. First up is the Enfamil NeuroPro Gentlease. This formula caught my eye because it claims to ease fussiness and gas within just 24 hours, which is something every parent desperately wants. Priced at $217.60 for a pack of 4 30.4-ounce containers, it's definitely on the higher end. But if you want a formula that truly prioritizes your baby's comfort, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this product stand out? The smaller proteins are specifically designed for easier digestion, which is crucial for those sensitive tummies. Plus, with brain-supporting DHA and a unique prebiotic blend, it not only helps with digestion, but also supports your baby's overall growth and development. In fact, the immune support blend of Humo 6 means you're giving your little one an extra defense against common illnesses. This formula has already garnered attention, with over 300 units sold in the past month, showing that many parents trust it. Now, I did see some complaints about the price being a bit steep, but here's the thing. For many parents, the well-being of their baby is priceless, and if this can help reduce fussiness and provide essential nutrients, it might just be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality formula that promotes digestive comfort and brain development. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and need something more economical without the specialized nutrients. Alright, if you're not sold on the price of the Enfamil, the next product might be a more affordable option that still meets your needs.
Product number 2, Termichi Stackable Formula Dispenser. Next up, we have the Termichi Stackable Formula Dispenser. At just $12.99 for a 2-pack, it caught my attention for its practicality. If you're constantly on the go, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this dispenser is its independent spout design, allowing you to easily pour formula into a bottle without any mess. The stackable feature means you can carry multiple servings without taking up too much space in your diaper bag. And for those late-night feedings, you can pre-measure formula, so you're ready to go even when you're half asleep. Parents raved about its convenience, and with over 300 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among busy moms and dads. However, some users mentioned that the compartments could be a bit tricky to clean thoroughly. But honestly, as a parent, if you're looking for something that simplifies feeding, a little extra scrubbing might be a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel or are out and about with your baby. Skip it if you prefer a more traditional storage method, or if you don't mind the occasional spill. For the price, it's a solid value for the convenience it offers. Now, if you found the Termichi dispenser interesting, but want something a bit more sophisticated, let me introduce the next product. Product number 3, PediaGrow Toddler Nutritional Milk Drink Powder. Coming in third, we have the PediaGrow Toddler Nutritional Milk Drink Powder. Priced at $19.99 for a 14.1-ounce pack, this one caught my eye because it's made in France with high-quality, grass-fed milk. If you want a clean and nutritious option for your growing toddler, this is worth checking out. What's impressive here is the blend of DHA, iron, and protein, plus over 20 essential vitamins and minerals. It's designed for toddlers transitioning from formula or breast milk, especially those picky eaters who might not get enough nutrition otherwise. This product has also received accolades, like the Clean Label Project's Purity Award, meaning it's held to high standards of safety and quality, something every parent should look for. Now, some parents did mention that their kids didn't always like the taste, which can be a deal breaker for picky eaters. But let's be real, every child is different. If your little one enjoys it, the nutritional benefits are substantial. This is great for you if you have a toddler who needs extra nutrition, especially if they're picky with their food. Skip this if your child is very particular about flavors, or if they're still under 1 year old. For the price, it's a worthwhile investment in your child's health. If you're intrigued by the nutritional profile of PediaGrow, but still need something more practical for on-the-go feeding, check out the next option. Product number 4, Termichi Baby Formula Dispenser, Light Pink. Next on the list is another dispenser from Termichi, but this one is in a pretty light pink color.
Priced at $9.99, it's perfect if you're looking for an affordable yet functional option to make feeding your baby easier. If you want something compact and user-friendly, this is worth considering. This dispenser is made of BPA-free plastic and is dishwasher safe, which is a major plus for busy parents. It holds up to 250 grams of formula, so it's a good size for outings or even just for keeping organized at home. The airtight design ensures that your formula...
Product number 5, Termici Baby Formula Dispenser, Baby Pink. Last but not least is another Termici formula dispenser, this time in Baby Pink. Also priced at $9.99, it offers all the same great features as the previous one, but with a different design. If you want style along with functionality, this is worth a look. Like its light pink counterpart, this dispenser is made from BPA-free plastic, dishwasher safe, and holds up to 250 grams of formula. The airtight design keeps your baby's formula fresh, and it's designed for easy scooping to minimize waste, which is always a plus for parents. Plus, it's lightweight and perfect for carrying around when you're out and about. Some users pointed out that the design might not be durable under heavy usage, but honestly, for occasional use or travel, it holds up pretty well and does the job nicely. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish and functional way to store formula on the go. Skip this if you need something more heavy-duty or if you plan to store larger quantities. For the price, you can't go wrong with a stylish solution like this. All right, now that we've gone through all 5 products, let's wrap it up.
To recap, we explored Enfamil NeuroPro Gentlease for those wanting a high-quality formula focused on digestive comfort, and the Termici stackable dispenser for convenience on the go. PediaGrow offered a nutritious option for toddlers, while both Termici dispensers provided affordable and practical solutions for feeding. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to make feeding your little one easier and healthier. Choose what best fits your family's needs.